Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe. Is your VIZIO Smart TV remote suddenly not responding? Maybe the power button works, but the rest of the buttons are dead, or perhaps none respond at all. Don't worry. In this video, we'll guide you step by step to easily fix your VIZIO remote at home. Stay tuned till the end for an extra tip on how to use your smartphone as a backup remote if nothing else works. Step 1. Check and replace the batteries. The first and simplest fix is to check your remote's batteries. Weak or drained batteries are the most common cause of unresponsive buttons. Open the battery cover on the back of your remote. Remove the old batteries and insert a new pair. Make sure they're properly aligned according to the plus and minus signs. Once inserted, point the remote toward the TV and press the power button. If the remote LED blinks but the TV doesn't respond, we'll move on to the next step. Step 2. Power cycle the remote and TV. If your batteries are fine but the buttons still don't work, it's time to perform a quick power reset. This clears minor glitches in both the remote and TV. Remove the batteries from the remote. Unplug your VIZIO TV from the power outlet. Press and hold every button on the remote one by one for about 15 seconds. This discharges any stored power. Wait for 1 minute. Then plug the TV back in and reinsert the batteries into the remote. Now test your remote again. It should respond properly. Step 3. Clean the remote buttons and sensors. If some buttons still don't work, dirt or dust buildup might be blocking contact inside the remote or the TV's infrared sensor. Gently open the remote's body if possible, or just remove the battery cover. Dip a cotton swab in a small amount of isopropyl alcohol and carefully clean around the buttons. Wipe the TV's front sensor with a soft microfiber cloth. After cleaning, let the remote dry for a few minutes before reassembling and testing it again. Step 4. Repair the remote or use the VIZIO mobile app. If your remote is still not responding, it may have lost its connection to the TV. You can repair it easily. 1. Press and hold the input and Bluetooth or OK buttons, depending on your model, for 10 seconds. 2. You'll see a message on the TV screen confirming that the remote has paired successfully. If pairing fails or your remote is completely dead, don't worry. VIZIO's mobile app can control your TV too. Just install the VIZIO mobile app on your smartphone. Connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV, and you can use it as a full remote replacement. Step 5. Test the TV's IR sensor or replace the remote. If your VIZIO remote still doesn't respond after trying all the previous steps, the issue may not be with the remote itself. It could be the TV's infrared sensor or a hardware failure in the remote. Use your smartphone camera and point it toward the top of the remote where the IR light is located. Press any button on the remote. If you see a small blinking light on your phone screen, it means your remote is sending signals correctly. If there's no light, your remote's IR transmitter may be faulty. Try replacing the remote with a genuine VIZIO replacement or a compatible universal remote. If the remote light appears, but the TV still doesn't respond, clean the TV's front sensor area again or contact VIZIO support for sensor repair. This quick test helps you confirm whether the problem lies with your remote or the TV sensor, saving time and unnecessary frustration. Now your VIZIO remote issue should be completely solved. From replacing batteries to testing sensors, these proven fixes cover every possible cause. If this guide helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others facing similar problems. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.